So next we will be administering medication via piggyback. So ensure that all the materials or the equipments are ready. We need the medication and cotton balls for hygiene, and also a rubbing alcohol for hand hygiene. And first thing to do is check the medication to the patient's record, kung yun ba talaga yung medication na prescribe ng physician. So check for the name of the medication, kung tama ba, and check for the dosage, check for the expiry date, and also i-check din natin kung ilan yung flow rate ng fluid na kailangan natin ibigay sa ating pasyente. So ayan, let's check. Okay, so pagkatapos natin i-check, let us go to the patient's room. So now we are here at the patient's room. First thing to do is let's prime the IV fluid with the infusion set. But first, we need to clean the top of the IV fluid with cotton balls and alcohol. Clean it with for about 15 to 30 seconds. So okay, after that, let's prime the infusion set with the IV fluid. Make sure that the infusion set is locked. Okay, so ready na yung ating IV fluid. So, next natin gagawin is i-identify natin yung patient by asking her full name and birth date and also the age. So, hi ma'am, good morning. I am Nurse Crystal and I will be your nurse for today. I will be assisting, or I will be inserting our secondary IV fluid, administering medication via piggy bank, ma'am. So, may I know your full name, ma'am? So, okay, yung patient natin is may mga bracelet sila din. So, i-check natin kung sila ba yun. So, ma'am, may I know your full name? Okay, ma'am. How about your birth date, ma'am? Okay, so, age, ma'am. Okay, so, after identifying the right patient, may explain natin yung procedure sa patient. So, ma'am, ati ubra akan yung tatapat, agi-insert na ulit ito sa balitay na IV fluid, ma'am, basta i-connect kung matlang ito yung main na IV fluid mo, agi agas na dayjay, ati agas na itabi ko kanina. Ma'am, okay lang ba kanyang dayjay, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. So, ag-relax ka lang, ma'am. Ag-relax ka lang, ma'am, ubra update yung procedure. So, okay? So, after priming the IV fluid, ibitin tayo dito yun. Tiabay ti main IV fluid with patient kayo. So, after that, nakalock tayo lang isuna. And then, i-insert tayo dito yung connection i-connect tayo dito, i-GNP, main aswero di pasyente tayo. So, ma'am, i-connect pa dito, so, atin, may isang aswero ka naman, ma'am, Okay, ma'am. Okay, so, connect this one to the main IV fluid of the patient. Ma'am, i-insert ako. Okay, so, after that, pagkatapos natin ma-insert, i-check natin kung okay ba yung pagkakalagay and kung Okay ba yung kamay ng pasyente natin? Walang mga bruises or kung walang mga any sugat or dapat may mga dugo ba yung sa may namuong dugo ba sa kamay ng patient natin and kung good flow ba siya. So after that, i-open na natin yung ating secondary IV fluid. So i-open natin. Okay, so let's just assume guys kasi nagka-delay. Okay, i-open natin dito. I-adjust kayo din prescribe na flow rate lang na nakaka-bleeding patients nila po. Kapag okay na, sabihin natin sa patient na tapos na yung procedure. So, ma'am, nalapasa, naisilpak da ito yung may kadwa nga agas, sunuswero ko niya, at may kadwa nga inkonat ko dito yung piswero, ma'am. So, nuadaman iti masapon mo, ma'am, nadaman tinasakit ito yung ti ma'am, nuadati kailangan ito assistance, ma'am, ipindot mo lang dito nurse call system dito abay mo. Di nurse in charge na naka-duty o may insigida ka niya, ma'am, nadati masapon mo. So, okay, ma'am, thank you. Agras kagarugan, ma'am, aginanakan. Okay, so after malpastay procedure, alaan tayo dagiti gamit tayo and make sure na isimpa tayo or i-discard tayo the proper receptacle tapno haan nagkakaywara and to avoid contamination. So that's all.